If you're selling a product or an app, UGC videos are how you get a flood of customers. It's exactly how TikTok shop owners and brands are blowing up, pulling in millions of dollars in revenue from simple videos you scroll past every single day. But here's the problem. Hiring UGC creators can easily cost you thousands of dollars, but that changes today. With the release of Seedance 2.0, you can now create hyper-realistic UGC videos featuring any product in any situation, and it looks genuinely human. But the real deal is combining Seedance 2.0 with Kittl using a pre-built template. You plug in your design, drop in your product, and the AI rebuilds the entire video around it, even with a voiceover, completely on autopilot. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the whole process so you can start creating winning ads and drive more sales to your business. And the best part, you can do this even as a complete beginner. No coding, no complicated API nonsense those gurus try to upsell you on, okay? Alright, so as said earlier, Seedance 2.0 dropped just last week, and it's been going viral for good reason. It's honestly one of the best video AI models I've ever seen. If you've experimented with AI-generated UGC before, you've probably noticed that most models look plasticky and obviously fake, right? But Seedance 2.0 is different. From the way the avatar moves, the skin detail, the natural gestures, it's genuinely hard to tell it's AI. Now, we're not just going to use this to make random videos. We're going to use it to create UGC ads that actually drive revenue, because that's the entire focus. And to do that, there's only one tool you need, Kittl. Kittl isn't just a design tool. It lets you go from a static graphic to a finished UGC video inside the same project. No switching between apps, no messy workflow. Here's how it works. Kittl has a library of pre-built templates. All you need to do is pick the one that fits your product. For example, if you're selling print-on-demand t-shirt, these are templates made for exactly that. Just click Use Template and you're ready to start editing. I will go with this. I love the vibe. And here is a trick. Once you click on the thumbnail, Kittl actually opens up even more similar templates and variations. And from here, you can browse through different mockups and choose whichever one best fits your product. Okay? But I'm just going to stick with the one we originally selected. And there you go. Now, at this stage, I need you to pay very close attention because this is where everything starts coming together. This is the original video template that we're going to regenerate. And as you can see, it already looks super realistic, almost like a real human shot UGC video, right? Now on this side, if you already have your product placed on a mockup, you simply delete this existing mockup, then upload your own product mockup and generate the video. That's it. But in my case, I'm starting completely from scratch because I don't already have my design placed on a mockup. So here's what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to make this section a little smaller since we won't really need it right now. And there we go. So now we have the design here and the product mockup here. And if you notice, every element here is fully movable and editable, which makes the process super flexible. I'm going to click on the upload icon to get in my images. This right here is my product mockup. It's a shirt mockup I got from Printify. And this is my actual design. I will delete both of these and replace them with my own design and my own product mockup. Beautiful. As you can see, everything is sitting perfectly already. Now to generate the product mockup. What you want to do is highlight the design and product. Then click AI Image Board to open the editor space. I will click on the existing product mockup that we want to regenerate, so it appears properly on the purple box here. Perfect. Now here's the cool part. Kittl already provides the image prompt for you automatically, so you really don't need to write anything yourself. I recommend leaving everything exactly the way it is, especially if you want results similar to the original template, okay? So we're using Nano Banana aspect ratio 2:3, then click Generate, and there you go. Now we have our updated product mockup. Super easy. No switching tabs, and all of that. Now the next step is turning this into a video. So what I'm going to do is highlight both the mockup and the existing video. Perfect. Now close this panel, then click directly on the video layer so it appears on the purple box. Good. Now once again, Kittl already includes the video prompt for you automatically. Do not change this prompt if you want to recreate the same style and motion you saw in the preview video. So make sure the model is set to Seedance 2.0, leave the settings exactly as they are, and then click Generate. Now let's wait for it. Beautiful, and there you go. Now we have our final AI-generated UGC video, and honestly, this looks insanely realistic. Look at the quality, the movement, the vibe. It genuinely feels like a real creator filmed this for TikTok. I especially love the UGC aesthetic here. It feels natural and authentic, which is exactly what performs well for ads right now. And this shirt actually came out really clean. It says, "Peace, Love, America." I might even leave a link to the store in the description in case anyone wants it. But the important thing here is this: it doesn't stop at shirts. You can do this with mugs, water bottles, stainless flasks, phone cases, basically any product. So if you're into e-commerce or print on demand, you seriously need to start using AI for UGC product videos, because this is one of the fastest ways to create high-converting ad creatives without hiring creators or spending thousands on production. And if you want this exact template and workflow already set up for you, check the link in the description or comments below. It'll save you a ton of time and make the whole process way easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more.